A question I get asked about all the time: where do I dispose of the water after I've extracted it from a building? Great question. And the answer is, I don't know. It depends on where you're working. The only acceptable answer for where are you going to dispose of your water is in accordance with your local laws and regulations. That's it. Every state has different regulations, and many cities have different regulations, and even different municipalities within cities can have their own regulations. It is up to you and your company to find out which authority has jurisdiction in your area and find out where it is legal to dispose of the water that you're dealing with. We're also going to need to know how contaminated the water is that we're disposing of. What are the contaminants within that water? And we always want to make sure we are disposing of that water legally and safely in accordance with our local laws and regulations per any AHJ, authority having jurisdiction.